counties until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Delaware Wit to 5 miles southeast of Mason. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, nearshore and open waters from Port Sanilac to Port Huron, Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located from 18 nautical miles east of Port Huron to 8 nautical miles north of New Baltimore, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. These severe thunderstorms will be near St. Clair River around 7:30 p.m. Mariners can expect wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Washtenaw and Livingston counties until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Delaware Wit to 5 miles southeast of Mason to 8 miles northeast of Jonesville, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield and Parker's Corners around 7:25 p.m. Manchester and Gregory around 7:30 p.m. Unnadilla and Oak Grove around 7:35 p.m. Pleasant Lake and Bridgewater around 7:40 p.m. Saline and Milan around 7:45 p.m. Pittsfield Township and Delhi Mills around 7:50 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Willis, Oak Grove, Dixboro, Ypsilanti, Whitmore Lake, Saline, Salem, Pinckney, Milan, Manchester, Howell, Heartland, Hamburg, Gregory, Fowlerville, Dexter, Cohocton, Chelsea, Brighton, Ann Arbor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Michigan, Livingston and Washtenaw. Your NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station, Keck 63 Southfield is broadcasting in a shortened cycle due to the current weather situation, so stay tuned for important statements to follow. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for St. Clair